Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. So today, it's a little bit of a special video. Something that I'm personally interested in, so I think a lot of you will be too. We're going to be shuffling around the cars, how to move the cars in and out of the showroom. This is the old showroom for Quirk Mazda. New one is across the street. So I just took out this MX-5. Contemplating if I take out one of these. This is a manual one, then maybe. Because I like the RF, haven't driven an RF in forever. But that one's an automatic. And I don't want to have to move every car. So first let's get this one in, which goes back there. So I'm going to have to move those three cars forward. So let's sit there. These are touch sensitive. Go out underneath. Hope it doesn't fall on my head. All right. Bring this one in. Don't like leaving them running. All right. I'm gonna take the plate off so that way I can use the backup camera. All right, leave the plate right there. All right. Now comes the fun part. I'm gonna move this one where that one is. That one is gonna go where that car is, and then I'm gonna move those. Actually, to be honest, I can probably just back that one up to get this one. It's just easier to move it. That one's out of, this one's out of the way. Grab the automatic. No. Put this one here for now. All right. Now I'm gonna move this guy back in there. All right, perfect. This one is set. know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually gonna put the one I just drove there, and then that one will go back there. That makes sense. And that will be that. All right, that's that one. Key stays in it, grab that. All right, then we gotta take this one out. But I should probably move all those so I can grab, whatever. Worst case scenario, I'll just slap it right in there. Put this here, put this there. I'm not going to put the plate on yet because I want to be able to see. Oh. All right, so this one is ready to go out. Drive on up, we have the touch sensitive pad. Move it forward, and we're out. All right, so that is how you move cars around in a showroom. Pretty cool. I've always been interested in stuff like that. So yeah, there we go. And now we're ready for a drive. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.